have gone. I am sweating. How important is light, fans, etc. But how do they work? Yes, they work with the help of electricity. Have you seen lights? There are many types of lights. First, we will learn about light and shadow. Here is a ball and a torch. Now, when I put the ball far from the torch, it looks smaller. But when I take it near, it looks bigger. Why is that? Because the area consumed by the ball is more when I put it near to the torch. Now, I will tell you some more facts. Do you know that line always travels in a straight line? We can only make it curved by putting a mirror. Do you know how were Ajanta paintings made? At that time there were no lights and bulbs. So the makers put some mirrors to reflect the light inside the caves, as the caves were very dim. See how brilliant they were. Was this simple? Now we every day waste electricity. You now put a board where the switches of fan are there. Write on that board that close the fans and lights. So now you will remember that we have to switch off the fan and the lights because the electricity wastes. So now onwards you will not waste electricity. Do you know how is electricity made? Yes, it's made by water, coal and many more. You can email this to us. Do you know a fact? That the fan, all and every fans in this world rotate in one direction only. It is either clockwise or anti-clockwise. You can email us that also. So, this was our class on light and shadow. Bye. Have a nice day.